Welcome to Homework Lib.
Bromous cyclohexane water bromide follows an SN1 mechanism. Write a chemical equation for the rate determining step. Use curved arrow to show the flow of electrons. In the SN1 mechanism, the rate limiting step is dissociation of bromide. And water is not involved. So two electrons move from the carbon-bromine bond to bromine. It forms cyclohexyl carbocation and bromide anion.